Flint River Animal Hospital was built on the foundation that educated pet owners are the most important part of their pet's care. It has state-of-the-art technology that's digitally integrated to optimize diagnostics, treatment, patient records, and client education. We also offer boarding at our Bed and Biscuit and doggy daycare with our large fenced play yard. And dogs love to learn with our dog training programs. Call us for an appointment today or find out more at FlintRiverAnimalHospital.com. Flint River Animal Hospital in Huntsville, providing best care for pets and their people.